Craving that deep fried crunch but too lazy to deal with a literal vat of hot oil? Same! Today, we are making cheese tonkatsu in one pan with zero deep frying. It's crispy, it's cheesy, and your kitchen won't smell like a fast food joint. Before we get cheesy, hit that subscribe button for more lazy hacks. Ready? Let's go! First, grate your pork loin slices and lay them out on the cutting board. Spread mayonnaise on one side. Not too much, just enough to make your ancestors slightly concerned. Step 2. Panko bed setup. Now, pour some panko into your frying pan. We are skipping the egg and flour today. We are lazy, not soulless. Step 3. Assembly time. Place the pork, mayo side down, straight onto the panko. Oh, before assembling, cut off the stems from your shiso leaves. We want tender bites, not chewy surprises. Sprinkle some black pepper on top. Then, let's add a shiso leaf and half a slice of cheese on top. Then, fold the meat like a love letter to your future self. Step 4. Coat with panko. Now, press those pork pillows gently but firmly into the panko. Yes, like tucking them into bed before their crispy nap. Step 5. Oil and fry. Drizzle olive oil over the top. Make sure it lightly covers the surface. We are pan frying, not deep frying, because oil is expensive and cleaning up sucks. Turn on medium heat and let it fry. Once the bottom looks crispy and golden, flip it. No need to deep fry. This method still gives you max crunch with minimum mess. Here's an optional crisp tip. If too much oil leaks out, you can wipe it off for extra crispiness. But honestly, I'm lazy, I never do. But if you want peak crunch, give it a try. Fry both sides until they are golden and gorgeous. If the cheese is stretching like a food commercial, you've won. Victory Katsu unlocked. Just look at that golden crust. It's incredible crispy, perfectly seasoned. And honestly, it looks way better than any takeout I've ever ordered. And check this out. That cheese is just starting to ooze. Pure genius. If this shortcut just saved your dinner, smash that like button and subscribe to Lazy Wee Kitchen for more smart cooking. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going back to my couch. See you next week. Bye.